Good day, everyone. We are the Group 7 and we will discuss and demonstrate to you one of the skills in playing basketball, which is the defense. So, what is defense? Defense is a defensive strategies, alignments, and positioning that a team uses to prevent the opposing team to score. So, there are four types of defense in playing basketball. First is a man-to-man defense. Second is a zone defense. And the third one is the help defense. So now, we will show to you how to demonstrate and play man-to-man defense.
Here are the key points for man-to-man defense. First, stay low. Keep a strong low stance with active hands. Move your feet. Use side steps to stay in front of your man. Watch both. Keep an eye on your player and the ball.
So let's move on to the next type of defense, the zone defense. Zone defense is a defensive strategy where one player is responsible for guarding the specific area or zone of the court rather than the one player. And lastly, the help defense. Help defense is when a player leaves his assignment to help a teammate in defending an offensive threat.
In basketball, defense is just important as offense. Man-to-man defense focuses on guarding a specific player, also requires staying close to your assigned opponent. The zone defense covers areas of the court, also help protect the key areas and disrupt offensive plays. And lastly, the help defense. Help defense provides crucial support to teammates. Also, it is essential for a team to support in stopping offensive plays. Understanding and mastering these defense strategies will make you stronger and more effective player. Keep practicing these defensive skills to become a better player and help your teammates win.